Understanding superheat and subcooling is key to keeping your air conditioning or refrigeration system running smooth without any weird breakdowns. So, when you want to calculate superheat step by step, first you gotta measure the vapor line pressure using your pressure gauge. Then, take that pressure and convert it to the saturated temperature by checking a pressure temperature chart for your specific refrigerant. Next, grab a thermometer and measure the actual temperature of the vapor line at the same spot where you took the pressure. Now, subtract the saturated temperature from that actual vapor line temperature, and bam, that number you get is your superheat. This tells you how much extra heat the refrigerant vapor is carrying beyond its boiling point, which helps you know if the system is charging correctly or if something's off. Keep your tools handy and make sure you're measuring at the right spot because that can change your results big time. Doing this regularly makes sure your system isn't wasting energy or risking damage. One of the biggest mistakes with superheat and subcooling calculations is not measuring at the right spot on the line, which can totally throw off your numbers. Always check at the right location per your system's specs. Another common issue is using a pressure temperature chart that doesn't match your refrigerant type, so double check you're looking at the right chart for your setup. The third problem is not calibrating or zeroing out your tools before measuring, which leads to inaccurate readings. Always make sure your gauges and thermometers are accurate before starting. Fix these by following the manufacturer's guidelines closely and keeping your tools in good shape. BigHomeProjects.com makes life easier by connecting homeowners with trusted local contractors who actually know their stuff. Contractors also get a steady flow of work through the platform, making it a win-win for everyone involved.